She's getting the lifetime achievement. Ma'am,
Hello everyone. I'm happy to be receiving this beautiful award. With humility and gratitude, I thank you.
हाँ बोलिए। बहुत खुश हूँ कि मामी फेस्टिवल हो रहा है और बहुत खुश इसलिए हूँ कि इस बार मामी फेस्टिवल फिल्म देखने वालों की वजह से हो रहा है।
So what films are you looking forward? What films?
Lots of films I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to all the French movies, the French Rivera and the Darden Brothers movies and Love at First Sight, Stratos. I'm looking for a whole lot of this whole Russian old movies that have come. मैं बॉम्बे वेलेट के बारे में कोई बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आपको जो बोलना बोलते रहिए।
एडिटिंग से खुश नहीं है रणबीर।
ये जो लोग लिखते हैं अखबार में, आप उन्हीं से पूछो, उनको ज्यादा मालूम मेरी फिल्म के बारे में। Industry is coming together, and which is a very good sign. A whole lot of people have come together, they become active, and they have realized that if we need this festival, we have to become much more active than we were. बिल्कुल देने जा रहा हूँ मैं। बाकी जो चाहता हूँ मैं, जिसको बोलना बोल दूँगा, मैं न्यूज़ में कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा। बाकी काम की बात पूछिए। बिल्कुल बात नहीं करूँगा। एनीथिंग है बिल्कुल नहीं, काम हो गया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Very excited actually, because this year in particular has been a year that the whole industry has gotten together to support Mami, and I think it's a tremendous achievement that the festival is happening in the first place, given all the issues that it had a few weeks ago, and very excited about it.
So what films are you looking for from the festival? What films are you looking for from the festival?
You know, it's a superb collection of world cinema, so I'm actually looking forward to all the movies that I can get a chance to watch. I'm hoping I get to watch as many as possible. She's shooting, unfortunately, so she's not in the country at this point. Thrilled. I'm really thrilled with the response to Heather. It's one of those movies that you get behind and support with all your might, hoping that people enjoy it and love it. And we're so happy that they feel the way we do about the film. Actually, that's not true. I think at the end of the day, Indian audience को content को गुड कंटेंट पसंद होता है, एंड अगर बड़ी फिल्म हो या छोटी फिल्म, फाइनली गुड कंटेंट ऑलवेज शाइन्स. Well, I'm actually going to be joining Vidya on her shoot, so our plans are to be together as a family. Yes, I will. Unfortunately, she's not in the country. In Mumbai, you know what we all want to see: better roads, less air pollution, noise pollution, a happier environment. But I love Mumbai. You know, even if Mumbai was just as it is, it's not like one would ever think of ever living anywhere else. But as you know, Mumbaiites, of course, you do feel that there are things that can improve in your city.
Also,
अच्छा, आपका कैसा था? अरे, I will tell you that in secret later. Huh? Thank you. Sure. Happy Diwali. Have a noiseless, beautiful, spectacular, and film-filled Diwali.
also one question. You're being in this industry, so do you think that that the glam factor is uplifting the sports nowadays?
You know, it's great that so many film stars have gotten together to support sports, because in our country, as we know, you know, it's film stars in cricket that sell. And if film stars lend their name and their attention to a worthy cause, it's always a good thing. And I'm so glad that we're doing that for sports.
So are we going to see you sooner or later owning our own sports?
Never say never. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What? You're being awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award. So what have you to say on it?
You're getting the Lifetime Achievement Award, so your thoughts?
Your thoughts?
Well, I'm very pleased. I'm very proud. And,
Ma'am, little ahead.
I'm very pleased. I'm very proud. It's an honor, and it's a great pleasure to be here in Mumbai.
So
Really.
how much are you loving Mumbai? Is there any memory that have come across in Mumbai?
Is there what?
Have you spent a day in Mumbai? Have you spent?
No, I arrived this morning. What?